Welcome back to the channel. It is the beginning of June, so I thought I would do my monthly market report on Riverside County. It's pretty shocking, to be honest, when I get into some of these stats. I'm just going to go on my computer like I always do and just show you, closed sales, newly listed properties, that sort of thing, just to give both buyers and sellers an idea of what's actually going on. This information is coming straight from the MLS. And these are the numbers that are coming straight from the MLS. I hate to project on what is going to happen because I just feel like nobody really knows. I did in my last video call that I thought home prices were actually going to rise a little bit because of the amount of homes that were actually being listed, which is very few. And it happened. Last month I read an article, I think in Southern California, like 3 to 5% raise or rise in home prices. These stats are going to shock you in regards to how many homes are actually coming on the market right now. So let's get into the video. Again, I don't know if you're a buyer or seller, but if you are interested in what is on the market, I always have a link to home searches in the description. Go straight through to the MLS, the local MLS. It's updated daily, so it's very accurate. If you have any interest in, mainly Temecula, but I do a lot of Southern California and Riverside County, market updates and, all that sort of stuff, make sure you subscribe. Do 2 or 3 videos a week. Hopefully these are helpful for you. So yeah, let's get into the video. So we're going to start off with sales price, median average sales price. And one thing that really I noticed right away is in a 5-month span, we have gone from an average sales price in Riverside County of $380,000 all the way up to $405,000. So, that's a pretty big jump. And, again, I say that it's purely from the amount. There's no supply. The demand is still there, but the supply isn't. So if you look down this graph, I'm not going to get into a great amount of detail of looking, at each point, but you're going to be hard pressed to find a 5-month period with that much of a jump. Okay, so next, new listings. Now, this was what was really shocking to me. Now, the good thing is that it has gone up, but look at April's numbers, and you're comparing April's numbers basically in regards to new listings to almost December of every year in the last 3 years. December of 2017, there was, right here, there was basically the same amount of homes listed in April, which is prime time for listing a home in Southern California. It's the same as December, where, obviously, maybe not obvious, but the market's pretty dead in December. So, really good depiction of, just how many homes or fewer homes were listed in April compared to previous years. And I can just go back April here. 4,800, 2,600. Okay. The one thing I did like to see is from April to May here, we are seeing a jump, so that's good. It's not going down. Active listings right now. This was sort of the shocking part, even though it is going back up. This is like the bottom. So. It seems, but just look at these numbers. 8,404 active listings. There is no point that comes even close. If you look to the last April, or May, so this is May, 8,400, and here is May of 2019, 17,000. So there's basically over double, and you can see it right here. There's 52% less listings right in May than there basically have been. So just crazy to me to see the fall off on how many active properties are really on the market right now. So really those are the 3 things that I wanted to share with you. If you have any personal, or not personal, but if you have any specific questions on any of these that you would like to know, just give me a call or email me, whatever. I have all my information in the description. You can ask me those questions. But again, positive thing I can take from this video is I can see an uptrend in the new listings. Active listings, it's almost depressing. And sales price, I don't know how to look at it, what's going on or what's going to happen, but obviously there's been a huge jump in sale price in the last 5 months. Hey guys, again, thanks for watching my videos. Hopefully, me doing these every month, you can see sort of a trend on what's going on with the market. Again, I have no idea what's going to happen going forward. My opinion on this whole coronavirus ordeal is that it's going to take, or it took 2, 3, 4, 5 months to really see what the impact was going to be. And going forward, what is that impact? Just a few thoughts. Are the people that lost their jobs, are we going to see some more short sales coming up? Are the people that lost their jobs, basically going to go back in August or start new businesses and had some savings because the economy is doing so well, and really we're not going to see much of that? I honestly, I have no idea. But if you want, a monthly, sort of synopsis, whatever you want to call it, of what has gone on the previous month in Riverside County, again, subscribe. I'll do this every month just to give you an idea of home prices and what is actually happening in this area. Thank you again, and from Exploring Temecula, till next time.